Hi, hello mga hello mga kalalabs. So for today's video, excuse me. I'm here in hotel to check and to rest here because for last week I'm very stressed and I need myself to relax. So yeah, this is it, guys. The room hotel rent is 1,500. So 1,500 pesos whole night. And ang check out ko my check out 9 a.m. in the morning. Tomorrow 9 a.m. in the morning my check out. So super I'm tired, guys. So I need to relax my mind, to relax my body. So so it's so nice. Wow. So let's go. I will tour you guys the room. So they have closet cabinet. This is for the dress. Yeah, it's nice. So yeah, it's clean, not bad. Nice, guys. Yeah. And the mirror is here. The mirror. Yeah. And then the CRO. Bakit ayaw mag-open? Why not? Okay. Oh, nice, guys. Very clean. Wow, it's clean. Okay. But there's a shower here. There's also a shower. So remove filter, Miss Wasser. Remove filter. There's a shower. Okay. Do not remove filter, Miss Shower. Okay. I didn't know how to. Wait. Do not remove. How to? Oh. I think it's not ito lang. It's okay, it's fine. Yeah, and there's a mirror here. Yep. And if I take a bath, where? How to? That work out? Di siya nag-ano. This one. Oh, I didn't know how to. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Important. Do not remove filter. Remove filter. I didn't know how to use that, guys. Anyway. So, yun lang mga kalalabs. So, how to use. And the problem is here the water if I go shower. How to use it? Oh. I didn't know. What? Water. Oh. I think this one. Oh my goodness, huh? I didn't know how to use it. But it's like this connection here. Okay, I will call the what in charge. I will ask how to open. Oh my goodness, it's so crazy. Oh my goodness. Not like the other hotel. I know how to open, but this one I didn't know. Oh my goodness, it's crazy, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.